Science is the basis of human species since the very beginning of our history. Since we entered an age of globalization, bases have changed. International collaboration is necessary for further science evolution. One of the European leading similar systems are Norwegian and EEA funds. Target of the funds, initiated in 1994, is to strengthen bilateral relations between the donor and beneficiary countries, and to put the beneficiary countries in a better position to make use of the internal market. Part of that program is so-called Basic Research Program, focused on 3 goals, strengthening Polish-Norwegian research partnership.
The main goals of the project include strengthening research cooperation, research development, raising the quality of scientific publications, and social awareness of the importance of research. It also supports young scientists by providing them funds and facilitating the access to research institutions and teams. The cooperation model consists of creating research teams, including at least one Polish team led by a scientist with a PhD title or higher, and a Norwegian research institution. The thematic scope of the research is wide, as it covers all panels of disciplines distinguished by the NCN, with particular emphasis on Arctic research. The project includes an analysis of the fauna and paleontological past of Spitsbergen Peninsula. The submitted applications are assessed by an international group of scientists, excluding Poles and Norwegians. The final decision to grant funding rests with the NCN director.
IdeaLab is GRIEG's sister project aimed at strengthening research cooperation between Poland and the donor countries. The subject of submitted projects must relate to the contemporary social and economic challenges, with pressure on globalization, climate, demographic and technological changes, a wave of migrations, also ones caused by climate change. Finally, general geopolitical instability. The scope of the call edition is described in the competition announcement. Challenges mentioned above are faced by research institutions, NGOs and other institutions, whether public or private. Participation in the project begins with submitting an application for participation in the workshop. Workshops are research and discussions panels focused on betterment and assessments of applied projects. They are rated by experts, both individually and by jury committees. Then participants are submitting full of applications, including the implementation concept. A special committee judges the identity of the application with the concept presented at workshops. Financing takes place based on the same principles as the GRIEG project. Call edition budget is about €4.5 million.
Basic Research Program is complemented with polls, call focused on the development of Polish research facilities and institutions through the system of grants for scientists and other research entities willing to do research in Poland. Aforenamed projects make cooperation progress between Poland and donor countries, especially Norway. They develop research initiatives, raise the level of social awareness, look for social and scientific projects solving problems of the modern world. Most of all, they continue the base of human history, at times adequate level.